Gojo, again, never get tired of drawing Gojo. Some of the coolest poses, like in all manga, sort of fight mangas. Landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Hand extended here, quite big. Foreshortened, so it means like it's coming towards us sort of thing. And his head back up here, so like his head's up here, his hand down there. So he's kind of in profile, right? So we'll start with the nose. So we'll just do this L sort of shape, right? Or an upside down 7. Or like a scythe or something, you know. Nostrils just here. And then the top of it sort of curves around. So it becomes like a zigzag kind of a shape. And then this sort of becomes his eyebrow, kind of curves around a bit more. And you have a purple pink eyebrow in there. So we can just see his eye poking out here, and we'll just do like an eyelash sort of thing. You mightn't be able to color them purple because they're so small, but you can see his eyeball. And then a tiny little iris. I'm doing this first just because it's like we're here, so. And then like his brow. So his head is like tilted back. We're looking up, right? So his other eye. So we'll go like up here. We'll just go up diagonal and then sort of curve it over this way. And then we kind of get sort of that sort of eyelash kind of spike part, you know, and then the bottom eyelid sort of comes into there. So we'll add those eyelashes, right? So like just coming up. Kind of like that. And then his iris in here, it's kind of thin because of the angle we're looking at it. And they do sort of like, you know, bottom eyelash lines like that. Kind of an eyelid line. And another eyelid line kind of up here a bit. And then his eyebrow arched going that way. So the line of his forehead going back there. Okay, so we'll go down and finish the features of the face. So lips viewed in profile are kind of like a letter M. Like so. And then his chin comes down pretty long. And because we're looking up, the chin sort of joins his neck, like his Adam's apple down here, and you have a jawline. So it's like a double sort of thing. So you got like his Adam's apple sticking out and his neck muscle there. So his mouth line, just here in the center M, like so. And then it's kind of like open at the bottom, right? So you got like teeth. And then like his bottom lip line there. So his chin, so he's like the chin line kind of goes this way as well. Right, so it's got kind of two different sections, and the jaw will come up quite long towards the ear. So it's kind of a different sort of perspective view. So ear in here, so like just kind of curving around. In there. And then you can put ear lines. So easiest way, letter J. But if you want, you can do that bit more. So his sideburn then sort of sticking down from the ear, so it kind of like goes this way, and it's got like lines like so. And then the hairline just kind of zigzags its way around the eyebrow. Very sort of scratchy sort of way they draw it in the manga, you know. We get to about here, and this is his forehead, so it'll come down to his eyebrow. So the back of his neck is kind of here, and neck muscles then sort of, you know, this thing like this. There's like another sort of jawline kind of thing there. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so hair spikes then, so big sort of hair spikes coming out from up here. Kind of some texture lines coming from here. Bum, bum, bum. And then just keep going with the hair spikes. All the way back around to the back of his neck. And we get all these texture lines then sort of going this way. Okie so that's his head, pretty much. It's all just shadowed up in there. Looking real intense. So he's got one hand on his shoulder coming across the body, down there, and then one doing domain expansion out this way, and like 4 fingers kind of exposed on the shoulder. So I've got to sort of draw this in first. So let's say, so like his hand shape kind of here, and then this comes down his forearm. Which is real sort of long here. And the other side of his wrist here. it's like drawn sort of real rough, kind of. This is his elbow. Forearm there. So his hand continues up this way. And like the fingers kind of curve upwards. Not like across his shoulder. So, like say, like they draw his wrist in like that. So the hand there. Okay, so we'll get these fingers done because I guess we gotta. So curving upwards, kind of, and you do these kind of bumps for the knuckles. And it kind of comes down, like so. And then the next one. Roughly. And then we get another knuckle here. Kind of going that way. Curve it around. Always sort of bumping. That's the main thing to remember. That one's real skinny, but go down to there. And then his pinky goes kind of this way. The best thing about the artist who does Jujutsu Kaisen, you can tell he draws real fast. I'd love to know what kind of ink pen he uses. Fingernails just on top. He goes real fast, like you can just see these little, you can see these little places where he stops like that because the ink blobs and then he goes, you know, he makes all these quick decisions about the finger and it's cool. If you want to learn to draw faster, do a Jujutsu Kaisen manga. So there's all these like cool little finger lines that he does. They kind of do make sense, but they're strange, you know. Stuff like that. Just an interesting way drawn. Right, his other shoulder seems to curve that way. Squeaky pen is starting to waste. And then I think this is his trapezius muscle. And then it's black t-shirt time coming this way. And then the other shoulder goes there. Now, because it's Jujutsu Kaisen, everything's just kind of black here. So they don't draw in his t-shirt or any of the muscles, but I will do maybe a bit more than the artist does. So like his chest would be here because it would curve from the neck, right? So, and then your pectoral muscle normally goes into your armpit. And then we have like a diaphragm, sort of like an abs sort of thing, you know. And then his back muscles would be here with sort of roughly sketched in obliques. Like obliques are sort of your rib muscles. And they tend to go like branches, sort of like that, you know. It's the easiest way to do it anyway. Sort of like that. And then we see his trousers there. So just lightly sketching in some anatomy that you would see, you know, if it was in anime style. So, doesn't have to be perfect though. Pop. Right, so this hand is ridiculously big out the front, right? And we can just see his black t-shirt line. See, like, so that's like his armpit. But everything's kind of foreshortened and it's all just black, so we'll go this way maybe. So we can't really make out the anatomy there now. He hides a lot in this dark t-shirt thing. And then forearm. Bicep kind of going that way, and forearm here. And he's doing this. So we can see palm of the hand carving there. And then this comes to his thumb. Now this hand is like the biggest thing on the page, the biggest object on the page, because it's the closest thing to us. So it's kind of tricky to draw hands that are like this big, but we'll take it slow. Thumb here, and then we curve it around. Thumbnail on top. It's like a knuckle line there. And then there's like some skin that folds underneath. And I think like the palm of his hand or something there. So from the thumb, the index finger goes straight down, and see, like this one comes over. So it goes like straight down here, like bumping. But it's covered by the middle finger. So like the top of the middle finger bumps across it. There. I'd say like that fingernail will be there. And then the tip of that finger. Like that. Then we can only see, we can't see his little finger. That's weird. Hold on. I have to check if that should be. No, so I looked up the original manga panel. It's not there. Okay. So maybe it's like curled in behind or something. So we can see the ring finger anyway. So it goes sort of this way. And maybe like this is the pinky, but I'm like this little triangle there. But this goes out. Curves around. Right, like that. And we can maybe see like just the other side of the palm of his hand a bit there. Like so. Okay. Gojo. Domain expansion pose. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.